is called I am Tashan in Bharati Vidyalaya Nursery and Primary School. Madapadi. My father name is Tangarasan. My mother name is Saraswati. I am coming from Madapadi. What am I doing now? You are looking at me. What am I doing now? You are looking at him. What am I doing now? You are looking at her. What am I doing now? You are looking at them. What am I doing now? We are looking at us. What are we doing now? We are looking at him. What are we doing now? We are looking at her. What are you doing now? I am looking at you. What are you doing now? We are looking at you. What is he doing now? He is looking at her. What is he doing now? He is looking at them. What is she doing now? She is looking at him. What is she doing now? She is looking at us. Thank you, ma'am.